This segment's problem is common in semi-detached buildings or townhouses that have firewalls between units. Often there is a large unsealed gap between the firewall and the interior framing. This must be sealed with some type of solid material to stop air from going up into the attic.
We are in a semi-detached home with a concrete firewall between the two units. The gap between the firewall and the interior partition is often a major path for heated air to escape into your attic. Remove any insulation covering the area between the firewall and the wall partition. Measure the width of the gap and using a utility knife, cut strips of rigid insulation to fit the gap. Push the insulation into place, making sure it fits tightly. You may need a hammer and a block of wood to gently tap it into place. If there are gaps that are too small for rigid insulation, but too big for acoustical caulking, use low expansion foam to fill these holes. Remember to shake the can well before using. The concrete blocks are hollow, and air movement may occur within the core of the block and exit here through these openings into the attic. To seal these cracks, remove any loose or excess material. Then carefully fill the gaps using acoustical sealant. To ensure we create a good seal between the rigid insulation and the firewall, run a bead of acoustical caulking along any gaps or joints. Before finishing, we look for any other openings where we think air could be escaping into the attic and seal these as well. For instance, air can pass under this top plate and come up this crack. Sealing these areas will complete our firewall sealing job.
For more information, consult Conserve Nova Scotia's caulking, sealing, and weather stripping booklet. Visit us at our website at ConserveNS.ca for more energy-saving tips and to watch other videos in this series. You can also call our toll-free Enter Info line at 1-800-670-4636.